documents that fit in between here. So small ones aren't going to give you a good enough sample. So you may have some that are right in my process. So I'll try to show you pictures and try to kind of give you an idea. Like, how do you know when things are wrong? Now, I showed this in one class, and I said, what's wrong with this? And somebody said, nothing. Sorry. So what is wrong with this? What is wrong with this radar array? You can, right? The body's missing, but the body, you don't see any additional parts or pieces in there. Well, what's wrong with it? Nope.
No, they took the pieces from the other one, but
one of the drives is gone.
Exactly. One of the drives is missing. So you get, now here's the story. Honest to God, I'm not kidding. Somebody sends in a drive and it's in for recovery. And I'm able to, recover it and do whatever. And I got it imaged on the D-SPAR. Then I start looking at it, and I look at it and I'm going, what the, this looks like a radar array. So I called the dude, and he says, yeah, I only sent you the drive that I knew was working because I know you charge per the drive. So I didn't need any of the data from the other drive. Like, what? Are you kidding me? So, yeah, so that's what happened. So you can tell things right away. This is a RAID 0. It's missing one of the drives. Wasn't sent in. This one. Like, so, and my question too, when you're looking at this, you have something wrong in one of the orders because these are two legitimate pictures from a Windows machine. So I've got something that's either wrong in my slice size or something that's wrong in my disk order, depending on what I'm actually dealing with. But they are real. And so at least I know that I actually have something. What is my potential slice size in this picture if it's about 140K? What would my slice size probably be? 64K. And so if you can kind of guess from what they just said, like if you're looking at the picture and you're looking at about half of it, then you can see the other half. So I've actually got something that's out of order. Either I've got my orientation or one of the other items is out of order in the RAID. And then I have small files, like under 32K. These files are fine. So I know at least my slice size is bigger than this because these pictures are intact, or if I had dozens of them that were intact. Then I had small ones under 64K in this RAID array, and this would actually be something closer to a thumbnail. But then when I actually found the real picture and looked at it, it was like this. Now, I do want to point out, even though that there is a problem with this, if you look at this, see how this stripe across the top is correct? I mean, even if this was 3 drives, and I was looking at a picture that I have extracted, see how the stripe across the top is correct? This starts to become a consistent pattern.